Well, guys, a buddy of mine gave me this winch. It's a T1500. So I connected it and it was no matter which side. Look at it, arced the shit out of my battery. So all this stuff seemed to work good, but I took it apart and she's been wet. See, look at the armature of this bad boy. So we're gonna go in, pop this baby on the lathe, clean it up, and see what we can do. Stay tuned for that. Other than that, we got this place spiffied up, cleaned up. A couple more little shelves, got some weird pieces on the wall. We got a door system going. I gotta get some gravel in here. It's gonna take forever, probably a dump trailer and a half. So, yeah, let's go clean her up. I'll be right back, see if she works. I just happen to have one out sitting here, but not much difference, eh? Smaller at the top. Wires are a little bigger inside. Man, a guy if he had to. But, so this is what we're working with here. We'll clean this up on the old wire wheel. And this guy here, same thing. Just give her a quick douching. I got something I can clean this with better. But I'm gonna try the wire wheel first and see. There we go. That's all it needed was a little cleanup. Now I gotta figure out how to mount this sucker. So this is how we get rid of the sawdust. For now anyway. You got the winch up. So we'll see. Awfully tight in here, but I mean, what are you gonna do? That's what happens when your mill only cuts 16 feet, 18 feet. So I just scrape it down and get it flat and go again.